Good evening, everyone. I'm Megha Pawar on behalf of our Honorable Directors and Wall Development Team. Welcome all our channel partners, associates, and valued investors to the wonderful and warm evening of World of Wall. In a very short span of time, we have traveled and came a long way and had a successful journey, which was definitely not possible without our channel partners. Thank you for being an integral part of our growth and success. So may I kindly request everyone to put your hands together and give a big round of applause to our channel partners here. Now let's turn our attention to our developments. We are very proud to share not one, but two powerful commercial landmarks. Let's begin with the Project 1. Masterpiece by Wall Development. Located right along Dwarka Expressway, highway facing SCOs, offering unmatched visibility and accessibility. 2.1 acres of land bank, 27 premium SCOs, 131 square yard, each unit size uniformly designed. Amenities such as EV charging station, 100% power bank, and 24-hour security. This is not just a project, but yet another chapter of Wall Street. Here's to the new landmark, Wall Street 88A. So Manasvi, are we ready?
Absolutely, Megha. I am all ready, but before we move on to this big moment, I need to ask all my customers here, all my guests here, all our partners here. You are the ones who've made us stronger. Are we all ready to introduce this new chapter in the history of Wall? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear loud yes coming from all of you?
Yes.
Please put your hands together as we present our first launch here this evening, Wall Street 88A. Let's have your eyes
Please look at that side.
onto your right hand side, ladies, and onto your left hand side as we unveil and introduce the first launch, Wall Street 88A.
To your right side, please. Your left, yes, your left.
So I think Megha, as a brand, with every iconic project that we have introduced and launched to our customers in the past, this one also seems very promising.
Very, very promising actually.
I am sure we're going to hear from our directors also, from our salespeople also, that why this project is different from the other projects which are there in the market.
Because of its maximum visibility. It is right there, very close to Dwarka Expressway.
Amazing. I think
And
we
it's
can't
two
wait.
side open, so that's why it gives you, accessibility, flexibility, and also all the requirements and needs. It's been fulfilled there.
Absolutely. I think we can't wait to step into the world of Wall Street 88A.
So it's now another new beginning here. Moving to our second project, we now take even closer to the people. This project is crafted to cater everyday needs and requirement, featuring 105 retail shops with unit size of 400 to 800 square feet. Wow, 800 square feet. 185 meter frontage, right on 84 meter wide road. Projects offer exponential visibility and strong catchment area of 25,000 families around. Low maintenance and modern facade, ample space of parking. This is where the local business meets unstoppable footfall. Wall Street 92. Right to your left.
All right, another project. Let's come together to introduce this one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, get your eyes onto the right hand side as we present it each front of you. Walk Street 90. initially was 73, then we had 88A, and now we have Walk Street 92. I think the numbers just seem to get bigger and better.
Yes, it's better, definitely better. Two most powerful address, one visionary developer, that is Wall Developments. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Megha, for doing the honors and taking this evening ahead for us and introducing these milestone, revolutionary and iconic projects in the chapter of Wall. I'm sure all of us, we've enjoyed this moment together. But next up, as she mentioned, two powerful addresses, visionaries. Now it is my honor to invite up here on stage a wonderful directors who have taken this legacy ahead and who are breaking boundaries out there. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shikhar Yadav and Dr. Yashpal Yadav. Can I request both of you to please join us on stage? So firstly, I have to take a moment and congratulate you for where Wall started and what all journey it has witnessed. We've just set up the bar so high. And you know, when we talk about real estate, we talk about people who are, who've been in the market for so many years, but being a young, iconic, and look at both of you. You look like you must be in your 20s. You look so nice and handsome, right? But
Thank you.
okay, that was just to break the ice and just to make both of you comfortable. But talking about Wall, we started with 73, 92 has been introduced now. So we talk about, as a brand, we talk about sustainability, we talk about building our own community, we talk about making sure that we're also taking care of the planet. And with rapid urbanization, industrialization, the resources are depleting every now and then. तो ऐसा क्या thought आया that you thought कि अब हमें water, air और land का ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है और real estate जो है वो भी बढ़ता रहे, but ये resources भी घटे नहीं बल्कि बढ़ते रहे. So now I'd like to give it to you. No questions for you. You are pro in what you do, and that is why we have had so many people here this evening. Over to both of you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Manvi. So, for Wall, sustainability is not just a word. Actually, it is the core value of our brand. So, as Wall is based on water, air, land. So, we are also launching an affordable housing project by the name of Verde 92. So, Verde 92 is IGBC Platinum certified project, which is very rare for an affordable housing project, and we have got IGBC Platinum certification for it, as well as the sustainable project of the year 2025 awarded by Times Reality, Conclave 25. So I think it is a big feat for any developer because affordable housing, no one does sustainable. So we have done it. So sustainability for Wall is a core thing. Now over to my friend and partner Yash.
Thank you, Shikhar bhai. Good evening all.
Good
First
evening.
of all, I would request my friends along the bar, please come closer. We are here for you, you are here for us. So I would request everybody to be here. So good evening all. Welcome to the world of Wall. So as my teammates and my partner Shikhar has already briefed you about our projects and how our core focus is sustainability, I, Dr. Yashpal Yadav, would like to enlighten you on our future projects. So, whenever I introduce myself as Dr. Yashpal Yadav, the first question that comes to everybody's mind, अरे यार ये PhD तो नहीं है? तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि I am not a PhD doctor, I am an MBBS doctor. So with that expertise, we are coming with something. हम कुछ ऐसा बनाएंगे जो हमारे माँ बाप और उनके बचपन के सपने दोनों को पूरा करे. So we are coming up with Prava. It would be a senior living.
Oh, I think that deserves a bigger hand.
So it would be a senior living by Wall Developments. So it will be on 3 different locations in Gurgaon, which will be unveiled later on. So when I say senior living, it has to be peaceful, purposeful, and health-centric. So as a doctor, with my expertise, I would bring something new to this vertical. Next is, we are coming up with 2 more projects in Farooq Nagar and Rewari. Both are affordable integrated townships with plotted development and group housings. Now as we say affordable, affordable just does not mean basic. Affordable means beautiful and accessible to all. अब गुड़गांव में हर आदमी अगर लग्जरी बनाएगा तो अफोर्डेबल कौन बनाएगा? और द पीपल हु सर्व्स अस, उनका ड्रीम कौन पूरा करेगा? उनका ड्रीम वॉल पूरा करेगा. सो वॉल हैज अ फोकस. सो वॉल इज जस्ट नॉट लुकिंग एट द नंबर्स, टर्नओवर्स, वो तो करेंगे तो आ जाएगा. वॉल का कोर फोकस है टू सी the smile on the faces of the people who serves us, to see the smile on the faces of senior people, to see the smile on the faces of our channel partners. Thank you again. Welcome to the world of Wall.
Thank you so much. But now that we're talking about the projects, I think this is something we've done a lot of launches in the past. I just wanted to make this segment a little more interesting. Can we have both of you in the center, please? So we know that both of you're also founders. We know that you're also the directors. But tell us how this partnership started. This is something which is off the books, and I don't know how many of you know this or you don't know this, but I really want to know how this partnership started, how this innovation started, how this collaboration started. I really want to dig deep into it.
So, like, I think all the partnerships starts, most of them, it started at a bar over drinks.
I think some of the partnerships are also budding and building out there. Yes?
Maybe some future developers are roaming around.
So was it only in the year 2022 that you met for the first time, or you were connected before also, but 2022 was the year of inception also for Wall, that you thought that, okay, now we can start something together?
So we were connected before, but Dr. Yash was into his healthcare business. I was into hospitality. Then I think COVID came. So we were both, I think, free that time. So then we planned to, start venture into real estate. And both of our family backgrounds is from real estate. So that was the natural course we had to adopt. So I persuaded him to, shift from healthcare to real estate. And I think he's enjoying more in real estate now than healthcare.
We see his enjoyment a year on year. We're just launching on new projects, new milestones. I think both of you are thoroughly enjoying this
I'm
partnership.
sure Yash has his own story.
I have
Now we want to hear the real side of it, okay?
So I have the finer knowledge of people's emotion. So that's why Prava will, rule Delhi NCR. So we were family friends. So there's not a different story, but yeah, we got close when I was doing something in healthcare. So Shikhar Bhai was helping me, but then COVID came, it didn't go through that well. So we thought of doing something else, which was into our blood because our family was already doing it.
We have your family members here with us, joining us?
I don't know, they got bored and they have gone somewhere else.
Is it? I thought we are having such a great time together. But, okay. So yeah, one quick question that before you exit the stage, since he mentioned, and you also mentioned, so doctor, MBBS, and now you ventured into real estate. How was this whole transition? How was this whole shift?
See, you have an expertise. You hard work for becoming a doctor. So एक बार उसकी expertise को आप और जगह भी finer things में utilize कर सकते हो. So I thought of doing that. कि खाली MBBS करके डॉक्टरी तो कर ली. I have served for 8 years. So क्यों ना कुछ अच्छा करे health real
For the
estate
society,
में.
yes.
And that's why we came up with Prava. Yeah.
Amazing. So I think now that we have Prava, we have the commercial complex, we have the residential one, which we also refer to as Life. I think the next thing that's going to happen in the vision board of Wall is going to be a hospital or something related to healthcare.
Yeah, we are thinking of
Yeah,
that.
I knew that, right? It has to come.
We are doing both hospitality as well as healthcare, both.
Wow, it's such a lovely
So in
combination.
next 3 years we'll be coming up with something big in healthcare and hospitality.
Lovely. We wish both of you all the very best. Thank you so much for joining us here on stage, and thank you so much for introducing us to these brand new projects. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I think these are the friends who are certainly cheering out loud for them.